Assalamu alaikum and welcome again. Today we will solve February March 2022 the web question because it was our mock exam. As you see, these are our files and we have to organize them to check that they are all existing. Then we have to work on our new Word document. This is my Word document and I wrote my information in the header as requested. Then I have to work on the file management task, create a new folder and put the file here, the folder, and I have copied the files. Then we are supposed to show the content of this folder, showing folder name, file names, file extensions, size, image dimension for the images and the video, frame height and frame width. Frame height width, this is the new for us. So I need to take more. Now ABCD here will be in dimensions, file extension here, frame height, frame width, size is available type, and we are here. Just fit them to make it in the best size and go to snip and paste. I have a problem in snip in my computer. Okay, now this is the folder name and all details. I have to just write evidence 1. Okay. Then I have to save my work back to question paper. Task 3, web page. You are going to create a web page and style sheet about Lake Navaisha in Kenya. The web page and style sheet must work in any browser. Make sure that your style sheet contains no HTML. Make your HTML and style sheet as efficient as possible. Now we will do to create in our HTML folder this web page. So let's turn the web expression and open site, browse, and go to our here. This is our folder, new HTML or a new page, same. It's the same. Now save it. Here you look, you are in the current folder and this is the name. They did not ask us to make any title here, so no problem. Then in the question paper, this web page must be created using single table, must work in all browsers. The table must be center aligned, fit 80% of the browser window. The table must have a structure as shown in this diagram. Okay. Now we will go here, insert table, and as you see it is 4 rows, 2 columns. We can here the alignment to say it is center. In percent, it is 80%. And we have nothing else. Here, I have to follow the diagram. I have to merge these two cells, these three rows here, and to fix the height and width. Let's do that. Modify, merge, modify, merge. Here, cell properties, specify. The width is 100% and the height is 20, like this, nothing more. Now, this one, just only the width. Here, the width in percent 65, and in this cell properties, the width in percent 35. Now, about these two, nothing is displayed. I can make them as the above, the width 65, but they did not ask us to make anything, so I will leave it. Like this, I have finished the question of the table. Each table identified with a letter must set percentage value. Don't set height of cells B, C, D, or E. The contents must not appear. Table borders must appear. Okay. Now set the title of the web page to Lake Navaisha homepage. So right click, page properties, and this is the title here. Also, after this, in the question, set HTML name of default target window to self. I can do it here also in the page properties, default target frame, and once you put on same frame, it becomes self. So questions 3 and 4 are done. Save and place in cell A here the M22 banner. Hey, M22 banner. Alternate text. I will check. Did they ask me? Yes, say. In question 7, they are talking about alternate text to both images. So I will do it right now, banner. Okay. Now in B, video tag to display M22 lake so that it fits the width of the cell. Display automated text base if message the browser does not support this video type. This is the best message. So I will go here in media player, all files, get this, right, double click, object tag. This is in HTML, the alternate text, and I don't know how much the height, the width is 100%, and okay, save your work. Then C, the image M22 eagle, M22 eagle right here, eagle, and okay. Now place in style inline style attributes to HTML so that each image fits the width of each table cell with its aspect ratio maintained. Appearance 100 in percent and okay. Add appropriate hyperlink. Place in cell D the text from M22 text. Set it as paragraph style. M22 text. Control A without the last line and Control C back here, and we have to put it in cell D. This is D and Control V. This is the text. We make it style paragraph and save. Then an E. Edited by followed by a space. Now they are talking to say a space. It was not mentioned before. We have to know it by ourselves. Now this is my name. Okay, save. Back to your question paper. Create hyperlink from the text. Click here only to open a web page in this website, and the new browser target frame here is window and blank. Okay, where is click here? Hyperlink. Now I will choose existing file or web page because it will not be in an existing file, it will be in the web address. Once we write the web address, HTTP and the slashes will appear by default, and this is the target frame. We need blank, so new, this is blank, and okay, save it. Attach style sheet M22 styles to your web. Attach, browse, and okay, save and back. Create a new style sheet so we will not edit, we will just create a new style sheet. Okay, table is center aligned and the browser within the browser window. Table cells have cell padding 10 pixels. So when we say table cells, this means TD, not table. Table elements have spaces between the borders set to 10 pixels. Top margin above is 173, and your center number, candidate number, will be as a comment at the end of the style sheet. Okay. Here, new CSS, and let's do the style. New style. Okay, we will choose table as box here. To be centered, this means right is auto and left is auto. The top margin will be 173. I will do it right now. 173 as a value in pixel. Now this is done. And this one. All table cells have padding set to 10 pixels. New style TD. Padding inbox all, so I will take it as all and 10 pixels هي px. So here padding done. Table elements, all table elements, not cells. So it will be for the table. Have spaces between borders. So the spacing between borders 10 pixels. I will back and edit here, modify table, and the spacing here in the table border spacing is 10 px as requested. So this is the border spacing. Okay, like this remains just only my name and the other information. Then this is my CSS. I should, yes, it has no HTML, right? And our scripting have style M22 folder cascading. This is the new name followed by center number, candidate number. So I will save it as CSS and I will write the supposed name. Done. Then attach this style sheet to your web page so that it is higher priority. It means the higher priority, it is the second name in the link for the style. Take a screenshot to show. File name, contents. Okay. Now here I will close this and this. Here attach style, browse, and this is the second. Now like this, look here in the code. This link for the first one, this is the second one. When it is next, it is higher priority. Okay, now we have to take a screenshot for the file in snap and we'll go to the Word, evidence, to, and it should be in the correct size, readable. Then save your web page, take a copy of your HTML for evidence 3. Okay, now evidence 3, to take the code. So from here, Control A, Control C, everything, and Control V. Now, back, display your web page in a browser if necessary, resize it. All page can be seen, all text can be readable, and the address bar is visible. Take a screenshot for evidence 4. Okay. Evidence 4 and back here. Save, show. Now we just resize and take the screenshot. Go there, and by this we have finished our